What is the vertex of the graph of the quadratic function f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 7? Here are my choices, and here is the function. Notice I put a 1 in front of the x squared. So if you use the function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, then a is that first coefficient, b is the 4, and c is the 7. And we use the quadratic formula, but not all of the quadratic formula. This is part of the quadratic formula. You remember the quadratic formula says negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Remember, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Well, this is part of that, where we leave out that radical. Okay? Now, b is 4, so I'm going to put a 4 right here. And then a is what? You're going to have 2a, so you have 2 times 1. So you have negative 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, and this gives you a negative 2. So x is negative 2. Now, go back to my function here and plug in the negative 2 here and here. Here we're going to get negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is a plus 4. Okay? So I end up with 4, and you have 4 times negative 2 is what? Negative 8, and you have your plus 7. So this gives you negative 4 here, plus the 7 gives you 3. So my function, this is the one where x is negative 2 and y is 3. So we're going to pick that one.